Hello everyone, I am Dionne from Dionne's Jewelry Avenue, and today we are going to make this beautiful bracelet. What I did was, with this ring, I had this broken necklace, and that's where I got the pieces from. One of my children must have broke it. I don't know how it got broke, but it was broke and I didn't want to throw it away, so I said, why not make something out of it? Also, if you don't have something like this laying around that's broke, you can always go to Hobby Lobby because they also sell these. With this bracelet, you're going to need some black nylon macrame string, which you could buy at Hobby Lobby, or you can order from Amazon. You're going to need 13 inches, two 13 inches. You're going to need two of them that's 19 inches, and then one that is about 6 inches. You will also need a tassel, and you're going to need 4 charms. 4 charms and 4 split rings. You will also need your tools. You will need your tool, special tool, to open the split rings. You'll need also, you're gonna need a lighter. And that's about it. So let's get started. All right, so make sure it's nicely snugged on here, not all loose. And make sure your strings are not twisted. All right. Now, with one of your strings that is 19 inches long, it doesn't matter which end you start at. And if you watch my previous videos, in those videos, I show you how to make a macrame bracelet. But if you didn't watch those other videos, I will give you a quick class. So, see how there is a Q right here? This is a Q. Get this string right here. Pick up both strings, slide it underneath, and pull it tight. Then you take this string, make a P, take this one, put it under both strings, and pull it tight. You're going to make a Q, get this string right here, pick both these strings up, bring it underneath, pull both of them. There's your P. Take this string on the other side, pick up both strings, and put it underneath both of them. This takes a few minutes to do, but in my last video, I also mentioned that on August 8th, I launched my website on Shopify. It is DionnesJewelryAvenue.com. So go check that out. That'll be awesome. I am almost done. So just keep doing your P's and Q's till you get down to the end. All right, when you finish this right here, well, when I do my bracelets, from here to here is normally 2 inches. There you go. That's perfect. You're going to repeat this step on the other side. I already did mine, so this video doesn't take forever. So here's my bracelet right here. When you finish that, get your scissors. Cut a little bit off the sides because you don't need all that extra string. Burn these a little bit. Next, and get your strings, put them together like this, and then get your string that is 6 inches. Which is this one. Put it up in between right there. Make a knot. There's my knot right there. Then you're going to do the P and Q movement again. There you go. Cut this extra string off. Do that on the other side. Pull it tight. Next, make sure your strings are even. Right there. Get your silver beads. Put it in the hole. Thread it through the little hole. tie a knot at the end. You can put it through the hole. Put the other one through the hole too. Tie a knot at the end. There you go. You're going to burn the tips. Burn the tips on the other side. And there you go. You have this beautiful macrame bracelet. There you go. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel at Dionne's Jewelry Avenue. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.